Now it's time to introduce the character to the stage. So I'm going to now import a new sprite and I'm going to choose one of the Flappy Birds, and you can see you've got a few different colours. You've got blue, green, purple to choose from, and you've got three different variations with his wings in different positions. So I'm going to start off with any one. It doesn't really matter which one I want to start off with. I'm going to choose it. And then I need to remember that I'm going to go to the costumes and I'm going to import the other versions of it. So we've got multiple costumes. Now I need to think about the position of the wings. So Flappy Bird's wings will look like he's actually flapping his wings when we're playing the game. So I'm going to go down for the next one. So I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to go the wings down in the next one. I'm going to import the middle again. And then finally, I'm going to go with the wing up like so. So when we're actually playing the game, these will be our little animation to make him look like he's flying. If we want to be a bit more organised as well, it's a good idea at this point to start naming your sprites. So you can see that Flappy at the minute is currently named Sprite 2. So if I click on the box above the word costumes, I can change that to Flappy. And it's probably a good idea to do the same thing for the background as well. The next stage is to get Flappy animated. So to do that, I'm first of all going to have to select the Flappy sprite, and then I'm going to add a script. So when the game has started, I'm going to need to switch to the next costume. Okay, so we've got a next costume button there. Now I could make a long list of next costume, next costume, next costume, and so on, but I want this to happen forever, and we can't keep it going forever unless we use a loop. So I'm going to go back into the control section. I'm going to use a forever loop for this. So if I put that instruction inside there, Flappy will keep now flapping his wings until the game has stopped. Now if we press the green flag to test him, you'll notice that the flowchart that we've just made, the animation works, but it's not quite 100% right. Okay, it's perhaps running a little bit too fast at the minute. So I'm going to put in a wait command before we flick back to the next costume. Now you can decide on what value to put in, and it's probably a good idea to test out a few different values until you're happy with the end result. Okay, so if I put that wait command in and then press run, you can see now he's flapping his wings a bit slower. The last instruction is to get Flappy to show when the game has started, and also to set him to the center of the screen, which is coordinates 0, 0 for the X and the Y. So I'm going to create a new flowchart or a code block again, and I'm going to find the show command, which you should find in the loop section, and then I'm going to, in the motion section, choose the go to XY, except this time I'm going to set it to 0 and 0 like so. So again, if you test it, you can see that it should appear right in the middle of the stage.